Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Docker Engine and the CLI. First, confirm the daemon runs with Docker info. This tells you why commands might fail. Once done, pull a small image to test. Docker pull busybox. Running Docker run rm it busybox sh verifies runtime behavior. Make sure to authenticate with Docker login before accessing private repositories because permission errors otherwise block pulls. Finally, set your working directory to a project with a Docker file to proceed into building images. You will build and operate images next. Start with Docker build tapplatest. To create an image, that composes layered caching for speed. Once built, tag for registries and push Docker tag applatest registry/applatest, Docker push registry/applatest so CI or teammates can pull. For runtime, use Docker run dp 8080, 80 name web applatest to detach and publish ports, include vmounts for persistent state. If you need to inspect, Docker logs and Docker exec let you view and interact with containers. You'll finalize by orchestrating, cleaning, and diagnosing. For multi-service apps, use Docker Compose upd. Compose handles networks and volumes so services communicate. Periodically run Docker system prune and Docker volume prune to reclaim disk space, but confirm containers and volumes you need first. If something breaks, check the daemon with sudo systemctl status docker, view container logs with Docker logs container, and inspect metadata with Docker inspect container. These show why containers fail to start. One tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.